Changing a flat tire in a traffic jam like this could be a serious headache, especially if it's raining or a really hot day. But don't worry, we have the solution. Running Tire will get you going quickly and safely in emergency situations to your nearest tire repair shop. Usable on most types of cars and fits perfectly on front and back wheels. With a maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour, this tool can guide you easily to your nearest tire repair shop on country roads or busy highways. With Running Tire, you don't have to worry about changing a flat tire again. For more information, please contact us.
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach, and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly. But when your toilet stops working, or takes forever to fill, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called Sam. Sam diagnoses your toilet problems in real time and notifies you with the issue, its cause, and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits and video call support to fix the issue. Now you're back in business without a plumber. But to really make your toilet smart, Shine can detect the first sign of a leak or flood. Because household leaks in the US waste up to 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of leaving your shower running for nearly 1 million years. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Shine Bathroom. We're reinventing the bathroom because even though it's where we prepare ourselves for the day ahead, the average bathroom isn't prepared for us. Shine uses automation to fix this by creating a bathroom experience that anticipates our needs, conforms to our wants, and delivers the care we deserve. The Shine team has built and delivered millions of electronic devices across the planet, and now we invite you to join us on our next journey. Together, we'll build the bathroom experience we deserve, one Shine product at a time. Thank you for your support. Alexa, ask Sam to clean the toilet.
Okay, I'm cleaning your toilet.
Mesh is comprised of 7 blocks: button, LED, move, motion, brightness, temperature and humidity, and GPIO. This is a recipe that turns on the LED when the button is pressed. You can also add the mesh move to the recipe to trigger the LED when mesh move is shaken. Easily create recipes that connect to popular gadgets and web services using IFTTT applets. You can browse the applets from the Mesh app. For example, use IFTTT applets like Google Drive and create recipes that instantly logs button clicks to a Google Sheet. You can also connect Mesh to popular smart gadgets like Philips Hue. This recipe uses the Mesh button to trigger the Philips Hue light bulb to turn on. And this particular recipe uses orientation on mesh move to trigger the Philips Hue light bulb to turn on and off. Just go to the function setting and choose the orientation for both on and off positions. Be creative, have fun, and turn any object into a light switch. For more recipes and information about Mesh, go to meshprj.com.